guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the LENOVO Tab E10. So if you have a problem with headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way. So just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pyro mode, and how to activate pyro mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your tablet, open the settings and swipe down to the system. Then go to the reset options and select LAN, mobile and Bluetooth. Choose reset settings button, configure pattern on the code and choose reset settings button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go back to the settings and now just look for the maybe the About tablet. Sorry, I don't know, so let's find it by the search bar. Never mind, you cannot try to update the system, I don't know. Okay, there we have a system updates in the About tablet. Sorry, I just missed it. So you can check to tap on this button, check the updates if you have any installed, and check for your device again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.